it's Maddie, and today I have a guest,
Lindsey,
Yay!
a roommate, and also a YouTuber.
Yes. Ever since I told you guys that we were gonna be living together, everybody wanted us to film a cooking video together, so here it is.
And it's plant-based.
Yes,
it's also gluten-free.
Yes, it is.
And it's also so delicious.
Yes. Today we are making vegan enchiladas, and I'm so excited.
These are the best enchiladas I have ever eaten, and I've had a lot of vegan enchiladas.
Did we make this last week?
Yeah.
I think we made this
it's
last
one of my
week.
what I eat in a week, but this is the full detailed recipe that you've all been waiting for.
We're gonna list out the ingredients for you guys so you know what you need to buy.
Okay.
Check the description for detailed ingredients and recipe if you get lost at any point. So you're gonna need tortillas. Today we're using almond flour, Saute tortillas. These are the best if you wanna do a grain-free version. I would not recommend corn tortillas because they rip. You'll also need 2 sweet potatoes. We're probably gonna use like 3 cloves of garlic, I think. Yeah, probably 3 cloves and 1 whole onion. 1 poblano pepper. If you're not a huge spice person, you can leave it out, but you could also keep it in and it's really not spicy, but it has great flavor.
We like spice and I trust her pepper knowledge. I have never seen this before in my life.
You'll need cheese of your choice, vegan or non-vegan. Today we're using Violife.
Colby Jack.
Colby Jack is bomb.
This melts, it stretches, it's gooey.
1 can, well, half a can of black beans, but they don't sell half cans. So. 4-ounce can of diced green chilies.
Oh, this is it.
So good. We're using the Saute green enchilada sauce. You can make your own enchilada sauce. Today, we're not doing that. I love that sauce specifically because it has super clean ingredients and it's delicious. So
I feel like in general, I really trust the Saute brand. I'm sure the red is
not sponsored, but like, call me. Spice-wise, we're going to be using oregano and cumin and then salt, obviously. Those are all the ingredients that you'll need. First thing you're gonna wanna do is preheat your oven to 425. Next up, we're going to peel and dice our sweet potatoes. Roast them for about 15 minutes.
Check on them, shove a fork in them. That's all you need.
Yes. Next, we're going to do all of our chopping for this recipe. So you're gonna dice up your onion, your poblano, your garlic. And we're going to saute that in some olive oil. You're also going to want to season them with your oregano, cumin, and salt.
Once your sweet potatoes are done, you're gonna take them out, mash them, like we said before. We used a potato masher, obviously. It really helps, but you can also use a fork, spoon, whatever. You're going to combine that with the sauteed onion, pepper, and garlic combination.
You'll also add in your diced green chilies at this point.
Half a cup of beans or more if you want more beans.
And then you'll also want to add a bit of cheese. Get everything all mixed together and combined.
Now you're going to warm your tortillas. You'll want to do this one by one so that they are warm and pliable to fold around your filling. And you're just going to fill it, as you can see here.
You're going to place your enchiladas seam side down in a greased baking dish. This is very important because this is going to ensure your tortillas get crispy on the bottom.
I have never done this with previous recipes and it is a game changer.
So once you've placed all your little enchilada babies in the baking dish, you're going to just basically drench them in your enchilada sauce. Put as much as you want. Some people like less saucy enchiladas. I personally love a saucy enchilada. And then you're just going to top it with cheese. Once again, personal preference. Use as much cheese as you want, but I definitely go ham with cheese. And then you're going to bake it at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes. Cheers. Cheers.
That's so cheesy.
It's just as good as the first time we made it.
Absolutely. I think it's even better because I was so hungry. Yeah. It is, dare I say, perfect.
Oh, you heard it here, folks. It's not just me.
It's really good. So that is it for the enchiladas. I hope you guys enjoyed this.
This was so fun. Like I said before, we made this last week and then we were dying to make this video. So we hope you guys enjoyed and we hope you make this. Please send us your photos. Please. Thank you, Lindsay, for coming on my channel.
Of course. I was gonna say, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to Maddi.
Yes.
Subscribe to me.
Yes.
More content from us in the future.
Yes.
Tell us what you want to see.
Yeah, we live together, so you know.
Can't get rid of us.
We're gonna be around. All links down below, along with the detailed recipe and ingredients. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.